Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's get started with the new app called CatsGarden, where you can just combine the cats and start earning the coins, and then you can redeem to your Doge coin wallet or else Bitcoin wallet. So let's get started. Before that, make sure to hit the subscribe button, tap on the bell icon. Also, the link of the app is in the description, so you can sign up. If you want the Coinbase wallet, the link is in the description, and also the other wallets where you can receive the Doge coin. And let's get started. So let's combine the cats. If you don't have any cats to combine, you need to tap on this button where it shows 99815K. So you need to tap on that. Then your balance which you have will be deducted with the specific type of amount for each cat. You can see here. So like this you can get the coins, and you can also spin, which lucky spin gives you different type of coins based upon the spin or the reward you received. You can also watch the video ads to get into 5 times or into 10 times or more, but I have skipped it because I just wanted to show you how you get the coins. So once you play the games, you can also get the coins. So this is 2048 game where you can collect or play this game and receive the points. Here you can see this 52 point. So whenever you play the games, you get the different types of rewards, and here is the daily reward. You can claim 0.1 to 0.5 you receive every day, and you can also get the random task or finish the daily task to get more coins. All you need is click on claim, or else if you watch the video ad you get into 2 times whenever you're trying to claim. So each and every day you get more claims, so make sure you check this section. If not, you may miss few more coins. And let's check out the wallet, and before that, here is my referral code, and let's withdraw the doggy coin. So first, initially you need to have 0.3 withdraw over doggy coin. Later you have to withdraw $10 only. There is no minimum less or less than the $10 task. So the minimum will be $10 after this first withdrawal. This only to verify that you're a not a robot, or they are doing some verification that you receive the coins easily without any issues. So right now the mining fee is 0, and here you can see I'm going to receive $0.0027 of doggy coin, and if rates change over 0.5, withdrawal will be cancelled to protect your interests. So they take care of that, so you don't worry about that. So it says that the success. So let me check my um, doggy coin wallet so that you can see the payment proof which is received instantly. So sometimes it may stuck for 2 to 3 hours. This is the app which is called Trust Wallet. I've shared the link in the description. So this is good for you in order to get doggy coin. So most wallets have removed the doggy coin, but this is working perfectly. So you can see here I have received, and I have transferred to my another account as well. So like this you can withdraw on this app. Whenever you try to withdraw next time, it says the withdraw is 10. So make sure you check the rules. And that's it guys, this is how you need to play the game or use this app to earn the Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. Hope you like the video. Thanks. That's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe and tap on the bell icon.